Take that right off, buddy. Now you write this thing.
Yes.
You sure? Now come to your own.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're okay. You're okay there.
Welcome, Tinubu. You will disgrace out of that office. My people are dying. My people are dying. My people are dying. Welcome, Tinubu. Tinubu, you will disgrace out of that office. Welcome,
Nigerians are dying of hunger.
Oh, come on.
No violence, no violence.
Cost of living, want to kill the living. Cost of living, want to kill the living. We are tired. We are tired. One day, then the last again.
Better life so that our unborn children can enjoy the sweat of our labor. Nigerians deserve a better life. We are living like a slave in Nigeria. President Tinubu, please, I'm begging you in the name of Allah Himself, please make a U-turn in your policies. Your policies are not good for Nigerian citizens. Please, President Tinubu, we are hungry. Let me speak in your dialect. I'm a Yoruba guy. If you need a better Nigeria. Nigerians deserve a better life.
Your name?
My name is Olusegun Olaore. Olusegun Olaore. That's my name. Nigerians deserve a better life. Nigerians deserve a better life.
I joined the protest today because I want good government in Nigeria. I want them to give us good roads and lights. Fresh subsidy, very important.
I personally gave the governor the letter, and that letter contains our demands from our legal representative. And I believe from the way he spoke, something will be done about it. Now, let me give you a rundown of what that letter contains. It contains good welfare for our security men. It contains good education for our kids. It contains good healthcare system. It contains dealing with the hunger issue, dealing with the high price of foodstuffs in the market. That letter contains a lot of things that is affecting Nigeria, that is affecting the common man.
The salary of for our police. Let the police leave the youth alone. We are tired of this harassment. Tinubu is incompetent, and as a result, we want him to resign peacefully. If he does not want the other way of Nigerian youth, he should respect us. We have a voice, and he must respect our voice. Tinubu must resign. We don't need to amend anything. We know he will not be able to meet up our requirements. So he should resign. Tinubu must resign. Must go.